First, go to uwec.ly/scholarship info. Next, click the Gold for Blugolds Scholarship Applications link in the bulleted list to get to the login page for Gold for Blugolds. After that, click the Login button and enter your UW-EC username and password. Click the Scholarship Search link in the top menu to search through scholarship offerings. Search using keywords in the search box or search using categories in the left side column. Each category expands when you click the plus sign and allows you to filter the list. For example, if you are looking for scholarships that are specifically designed for chemistry majors, select Chemistry under Course of Study. Use the Program/Activity category to narrow down a list of scholarships for specific activities such as study abroad or research. Use Student Status to find scholarships for specific populations of students such as first generation, parents, or veterans. When you've identified a scholarship you want to apply for, look for the Application tag at the bottom of the scholarship description. That will tell you which application to complete to apply for that scholarship. Remember that the majority of applications cover a group of scholarships, so you don't have to fill out an individual application for each scholarship. Under the Application category, you can see all the scholarships that you can apply for using one specific application. The system will take your completed application as well as your academic information from Campus and match you with eligible scholarships when the committee is reviewing your application. Click the Apply Now button above the search area to go back to the home page, where you will see a list of open applications under My Tasks. Only currently open applications will be visible, so if the application you're looking for isn't visible, click the Application Availability Schedule link on the Gold for Blugolds homepage to find a list of general availability dates. Most of the applications open on January 1st, but the deadlines can vary by department and change from year to year depending on the academic calendar. If the application you need is open, click Start Application to begin. You don't need to complete the application in one sitting. You can save your progress and come back to the application later. If you don't have time to complete an application right away, try to click through the pages and see what you need to include in the application so you aren't scrambling at the last minute. Some applications require longer essays or letters of recommendation from professors, both of which require additional time. Questions with a red asterisk next to them are required in order to submit the application. Some questions are not required to complete the application but may be required to be eligible for a particular scholarship, so read the instructions carefully. Once you're ready to submit, you will be taken to a page to review your answers before submitting your application. Be sure to look over your application to spot any typos or missing information. Once the application is submitted, you cannot make changes, so it's important to review your answers carefully before submitting. If you have any questions, send them via email to scholarships@uwec.edu.